I'm Nunu, and welcome to Too New For You, or so it seems. Today is my first Friday sew. So today I'm going to be baking you some cookies. Sewing you some cookies. So these are going to be cookie pattern weights. So if that sounds like something that you would be interested in, then I would love for you to watch and even try to make it. Let's get started. The first thing that you're going to need is the pattern. This is what we need, this and these. You're going to take your sheet of paper and you're going to go ahead and you're going to trace all around. So now I'm just cutting out the circle. This is going to be the template to cut out the fabric. Our fabric, and we're going to leave it folded in half. We're not going to need that much, but we're going to go ahead and trace it around. So now I'm just going to go ahead and cut out the circles. So now we got our cookies. Wait, but here's your circle. See? You're going to want it to fit inside. Pattern, and you're going to fold it in half. And then you're just going to trim around the circle. So just trim. Okay, so I just trim that much. And you're going to pin it, and then you're going to cut these out. Right. Remember, you have to use the smaller circle that you just trimmed to cut out the colorful fabric, because you want those circles to be smaller than the tan circles. How's everybody doing today? You had a good day? Have you started your Christmas shopping yet? Let me know down in the comments if you started your Christmas shopping yet. I usually go and do the Black Friday mayhem, but this year I'm not doing that. This year I'm going to make everybody's gift, and that's just what it is. So hopefully everybody liked their gift, because they know, it was made with love. Okay, so we're just going to throw those away. So now I'm just taking the smaller circle and placing it on the big circle and then pin. Now you're just going to sew a zigzag stitch all the way around, just like seen here. Once you sew both tops, you're going to place the weight inside, and then you're going to stitch another zigzag stitch all the way around. Remember, when you sew the zigzag stitch, you're going around the same zigzag stitch you just did. So you're just sewing right over top. That was fun, right? Let me show you how it turned out. Isn't that great? This could be a great gift for a beginner sewer or someone who's been sewing for a while who needs some new pattern weights, right? Thank you so much for DIYing or sewing with me today. And if you like, you can subscribe, hit the like button, turn on all notifications so you don't miss my next video. Thanks so much. Don't forget, sew it up, watch how it turns out. Bye.